Hey everyone, welcome to my first React tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create long 3D text shadow in ReactJS. Before proceeding further, please be sure to drop a like on this video, and subscribe to my channel, for more such tutorials. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Init a new React project, using create React app command. I have already done it. Let's install the required dependencies. Install styled components, and polished. I will be using Yarn to install these. Now, open your code editor. Open app.js file from src folder. Let's import the libraries. Import React from React. Import styled from styled components. Import RGBA and darken from polished. Let's write a function that will generate the CSS code for text shadow. It will take a color as an argument. Declare a val variable, and initialize it with first text shadow, which will be at 0 pixels x and y offset, and color as value of color argument. Note that I am using backticks, which are used for string interpolation. Declare a total variable, with value of 400, which will control the number of iterations the for loop runs for. Lastly, declare an amount variable, with an initial value of 0.0125. It will control the darkness of the shadow. Let's use a for loop in range of total variable. We will use addition assignment operator to concatenate string of text shadows. Be sure to put a comma first, which is used to add another shadow. Set horizontal and vertical shadow to I pixels. For the color, use the darken function, and pass the amount variable as first argument. Pass the color as second argument. Increment the value of amount variable by 0.00125. Return the val variable at the end of function. Now, declare a constant, wrapper, which will be our custom style.div component. Set font size to 7.5 rem. Set color to any color of your choice, with 95% opacity. Use the RGBA function for this. For the text shadow, call the long shadow function, and pass a color to it. Set width to 100%. Set height to 100 VH. Set display to flex. Set justify content to center. Set align items to center. Set background color according to your choice. Set font weight to bolder. Write a text shadow function, where we will return the wrapper component. You can put your text inside the component. Finally, export default the text shadow function. So, our basic code for project is ready. Let's see the preview. If you want to control the darkness of shadow, you need to change the value that's being added to amount variable in the for loop. To lengthen or shorten the shadow, change the value of total variable. Quick tip. You can use hue rotate filter to shift the color of entire component to another color. So, that's all for today. Hope you would have enjoyed the tutorial. Please be sure to drop a like on this video, and subscribe to my channel, for more such tutorials. I will meet you next time. Till then, good luck, and peace.